Hello. Um, Back with some more Billy Idol, Madonna number jump stuff. Um, and really, what I need to do is I really need to show you another video on this, which I'm going to do after this video. So this, I don't know whether this will make as much sense, but Billy Idol and Madonna, when I show you the next video, have a tie-in to the Hoover Dam with their number jumps, right? With two big number jumps, right? I'd actually been talking about those two big number jumps um, a few videos back, but there's a slight variance on that, and what I'm going to show you in the next video is those two number jumps and how they tie to the Hoover Dam. Well, I've got another set of number jumps here that kind of may tie Madonna to the Hoover Dam. I mean, she'd have to croak on the 12th of or something would have to happen on the 12th of July in 2 days' time, or potentially tomorrow on the 11th, because we could click the include end date on here and get to the 11th. And what we're looking at is this set of numbers down the bottom here, which is 24,072 days jump from Madonna's birthday through to this date here, through to 7/11, or if we take off the end date included, 7/12. So one of those two dates, something significant would have to happen. And the reason why this is interesting is because I've been number doodling, and if we look at Billy Idol's birthday through a similar set of numbers, 24,702, so that zero is just flipped places there. So it's the same numerology in the same order. We have the 18th of July. Now, the reason why this is interesting is because this is a big date in the dollar bill, the 18th of July. In fact, it would be a date that I would be looking for something potentially with Donald Trump, something potentially with, well, maybe with even Biden, something with Madonna, or something with Billy Idol, or some other big event that would somehow tie back into those characters. But this date is in the dollar bill, okay, and it ties in with some number jumps that go from 9/11 and jump through 2/13 and then jump through to the 18th of July, okay, the 187 number. So it was just really interesting. It was just a personal reference. This is why I kind of have done the video, is because this is my old telephone number basically. It was actually 2724. Okay, so if you read to the middle of the number, it's again like what we were reading with the palindrome back to the mirror point in the center of the number. So it was pretty interesting to me. I'd actually talked about that earlier on in the year as well. I can't remember what it was, but there was some kind of link to one of my old telephone numbers again, which was kind of interesting. Anyway, that was it for the video. I just wanted to show you that, the 18th of July, which is, I mean, obviously Washington's gematria is 187, and there's so many tie-ins. I could make a case for so many different sort of references to tie back Madonna. I mean, Madonna tying back to 187. I mean, Sean Penn, the first husband, obviously he's the 18th. He's the 17th of August birthday. So there's a lot of connections with this number with Madonna. Just kind of interesting. Obviously it's a date I would look at for Madonna. And the 17th. Obviously, the start of the tour was interesting as well with the 117. And one other little note is that when you look at all these cycles that I look at, like the the Fibonacci cycle, and then Lucas. And when you reduce them down to the reduced cycle, the first 24 digits of the cycle, right? Well, there's only 24 digits the cycle before it repeats. So those first 24 numbers all add up to, it doesn't matter which cycle it is, it all adds up to 117. Okay, they always add up to 117. So it's a really important number, 711, for more reasons than just because Donald Trump said it in reference to 9/11. I don't know what else to say really. I'm gonna leave it there. I just wanted to do something. In fact, it's 7:11 right now. With that 12 o'clock. I've got about half a dozen little videos. They're going to be a little bit all over the place and not very fluid, just because I've got so much stuff. I've just got a huge backlog of crud that I need to get through. Anyway, so that was just one thing. So anyway, I'll catch on another video here real shortly. And yeah, ciao for now. Bye.